In this video, we're going to talk about how you can set up a T-Mobile hotspot on iPhone. This is very easy to do. All you have to do is open up your iPhone settings, and then right here, you just want to click on personal hotspot. Once you select the personal hotspot settings, first make sure allow others to join is turned on, and also you have the option of setting a password here if you want for your Wi-Fi network. Now you have different options of connecting to that personal hotspot which you just set up. The easiest one is going to be opening up the Wi-Fi networks from the phone or PC you want to connect to, and just connecting to your personal hotspot. It's going to display your name here and your iPhone's name, and they can just connect to it. They can also connect using Bluetooth and USB, but for any devices which have access to Wi-Fi, I suggest connecting via Wi-Fi. And that is how you connect and set up a T-Mobile hotspot on iPhone. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.